Losing weight doesn't always mean skipping your favorite foods. Sometimes, a simple drink swap can do wonders. But with so many options out there, which drinks actually work for weight loss? In this video, we will reveal the 8 best weight loss drinks that can keep you feeling full, energized, and achieve your health goals. You'll learn about drinks that can help you slim down and improve your overall health. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 8 is green tea. Green tea is rich in antioxidants called catechins, which keep your body healthy. These catechins, especially one called EGCG, can boost your metabolism. The catechins work with the small amount of caffeine in green tea to increase the number of calories you burn, even when you're just sitting around. Research shows it can also help reduce your body fat percentage and shrink your waistline. A study from the Canadian Pharmacists Journal found that people who drank green tea regularly had smaller waists and lower body fat percentages than those who didn't. On average, people who drink green tea regularly can lose about 2.9 pounds over 12 weeks without changing anything else in their diet or exercise routine. That might not sound like much, but remember, this is just from drinking tea. Imagine combining that with a healthy diet and some exercise. The key is consistency. Experts recommend drinking about 3 to 5 cups of green tea per day to get the full benefits. That's enough to give you a good dose of those fat-burning catechins. Here's a pro tip. If you want to supercharge your green tea, try matcha. It's a type of green tea that's ground into a fine powder, and it has even more catechins than regular green tea. Studies show that matcha can help you burn even more fat during exercise. It's like putting your fat-burning efforts into overdrive. Of course, like anything, green tea isn't a magic potion. It's just one tool in your weight loss toolkit, but it's a pretty powerful one that's easy to add to your daily routine. Plus, it has other health benefits like improving brain function and lowering your risk of certain cancers. So, why not start your day with a cup of green tea instead of your usual coffee? Or swap out your afternoon soda for an iced green tea. Sliding into number 7 is black tea. Black tea is like the bolder, more robust cousin of green tea. It's made from the same plant, but it's exposed to air for longer. This gives it a stronger flavor and darker color. This extra step also packs black tea with some powerful weight loss helpers called polyphenols. They fight off damage and inflammation. But here's the exciting part. They might also help you lose weight. How? Well, they work in a few different ways. First, polyphenols can help you eat less. They can send signals to your brain that say you're full. This means you might not feel as hungry, so you eat fewer calories without even trying. These polyphenols also tell your body to break down fat. At the same time, they're helping good bacteria grow in your gut. These good bacteria are important for keeping your weight healthy. In one study, people drank 3 cups of black tea every day for 3 months. They lost more weight than people who didn't drink the tea. They also lost more inches around their waists. Another big study from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition looked at over 2,700 women. It found that women who ate and drank more foods with flavonoids, that's the type of polyphenol in black tea, had less body fat. They also had less belly fat. So, how much black tea should you drink? The studies show that 3 cups a day seems to do the trick. You could have a cup with breakfast, 1 in the afternoon, and 1 after dinner. It's best when you pair black tea with healthy eating and exercise. Think of it as a helpful friend on your weight loss journey, not a miracle cure. Next at number 6 is coffee. Coffee isn't just a morning pick-me-up. It's a secret weapon in your weight loss journey. Let's spill the beans on coffee's hidden power. First, let's talk about how coffee helps you burn calories. It's all thanks to caffeine, the stuff that gives coffee its kick. Caffeine acts like a little energy booster for your body. It revs up your metabolism, making you burn more calories even when you're just sitting around. Studies show that people who drank coffee with 6 milligrams of caffeine for every kilogram of their body weight ate fewer calories overall. Research shows that drinking 4 cups of coffee a day for 24 weeks can help overweight adults lose 4% of their body fat. That's without changing anything else in their diet or exercise routine. But before you start chugging coffee by the pot, let's talk about the ideal amount. Most studies show that 3 to 4 cups a day is the sweet spot. This amount gives you all the fat-burning and appetite-suppressing benefits without any negative side effects. Now, you might be thinking about switching to decaf to cut down on caffeine, but here's the catch. Decaf doesn't seem to have the same appetite-suppressing effects as regular coffee. While it still has some good stuff in it, without caffeine, it might not help as much with weight loss. One more thing to remember, how you drink your coffee matters. Adding sugar or cream can add a lot of calories, which might undo coffee's weight loss benefits. For the best results, try drinking your coffee black, or with just a splash of low-fat milk. Coffee is also packed with antioxidants that can help reduce inflammation in your body. These antioxidants are called chlorogenic and ferulic acids. They support your overall health while you're working on losing weight. So, next time you sip your morning coffee, remember, you're not just waking up your brain, you're firing up your body's fat-burning engines too. At number 5, we have apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar, or ACV for short, has been making waves as a trendy health tonic. But can something so simple help with weight loss? The secret in ACV is something called acetic acid. This compound is like a tiny superhero in your body, fighting fat and helping you feel full. When you drink ACV, the acetic acid gets to work right away. It talks to your body and tells it to burn fat instead of storing it. But that's not all. ACV is also a friend to your blood sugar. It helps your body use insulin better, which is super important for managing your weight. When your insulin works well, your body is less likely to store extra fat. In one study, people who drank ACV every day for 12 weeks saw some amazing results. On average, they lost 3.7 pounds. That might not sound like a lot, but here's the really cool part. They also lost almost 1% of their body fat and trimmed 0.75 inches off their waists. ACV also slows down how fast food moves through your body. This means you feel full for longer, so you're less likely to reach for that extra snack. Now, before you rush to chug a bottle of ACV, let's talk about how to use it safely. Drinking it straight can be harsh on your teeth and throat. Instead, try mixing 1 to 2 tablespoons of ACV into a cup of water. This makes it easier to drink and protects your teeth. And always remember to rinse your mouth with water after drinking it. So next time you're in the kitchen, take a look at that bottle of ACV. It might just be the weight loss helper you've been looking for. Halfway through our list, at number 4, are protein shakes. Protein shakes are not just for bulking up, they can actually help you slim down. But wait, doesn't protein make you gain weight? That's a common myth we need to bust. Here's how it works. Protein keeps you feeling satisfied for longer, so you're less likely to feel hungry. Protein is also a metabolism booster. When you drink a protein shake, your body has to work harder to digest it. In one study, people who drank whey protein shakes lost more fat than those who didn't. They shed about 5 pounds more over 23 weeks. That's like losing a whole bag of sugar just by adding protein shakes to your diet. Protein doesn't just help you lose weight, it changes how your body looks. It helps you keep muscle while losing fat. This means you'll look toned and strong, not just smaller. So what's the best type of protein for weight loss? Whey protein is like the sprinter of the protein world. It's fast-acting and ideal for after workouts. Casein protein is more like a marathon runner. It releases slowly, keeping you full for longer. And if you don't eat dairy, you can try plant-based proteins. They are also great for weight loss. A study from the Nutrition Journal found that pea protein can help you lose weight even when you're not cutting calories. Here's a pro tip. Aim for about 20 grams of protein per shake. This is the sweet spot for feeling full and supporting your muscles. But if you're looking for something a little less filling, don't worry. Our next weight loss drink might be just what you're looking for. Next at number 3 is ginger tea. Ginger tea isn't just tasty, it's like a little furnace for your body. When you drink it, it kicks your body's heat production into high gear. This process is called thermogenesis, and it's a fancy way of saying your body burns more calories. A study from the journal Metabolism found that men who drank ginger tea with breakfast felt fuller for longer. They didn't get as hungry later in the day. To see weight loss results, studies show that about 2 grams of ginger powder a day can do the trick. That's about half a teaspoon, mixed into hot water. Moreover, ginger may also be the key to melting away stubborn belly fat. It is a wonderful drink for helping you lose inches off your waistline. But ginger tea isn't just beneficial for weight loss. It's packed with other health benefits too. It can help with digestion, reduce nausea, and even fight inflammation in your body. Ginger tea is simple to make at home. Just grate some fresh ginger into hot water or use ginger tea bags if you're short on time. You can add a squeeze of lemon or a touch of honey for extra flavor. Nearing the top of our list, at number 2 is vegetable juice. Vegetable juice is like a liquid multivitamin for your body. Packed with nutrients, it's a quick and easy way to get your daily dose of veggies. You might be thinking, isn't juicing bad because it removes fiber? It's true that juicing can reduce fiber content. Vegetable juice can still be a powerful tool for weight loss, even with less fiber. It is low in calories but high in nutrients, which means you can fill up on the good stuff without packing on extra pounds. In one study, people with metabolic syndrome who drank vegetable juice while on a diet lost more weight than those who didn't drink juice. Drinking vegetable juice might help lower levels of a hormone called leptin. Leptin is linked to obesity, so less leptin could mean easier weight loss. Green veggies are the vegetables to juice for weight loss. Cabbage, celery, kale, and spinach are all great choices. They can help boost your metabolism. Here's a pro tip. Try to keep some pulp in your juice. This helps preserve more fiber, which keeps you feeling full and supports good digestion. Research also says that adults who drank 16 ounces of low-sodium vegetable juice while on a diet lost a lot more weight than those who didn't drink juice. The key to juicing your vegetables and fruits is to experiment and find what you enjoy. Finally, at number 1 is water. We've explored fancy juices and teas, but now it's time to get back to basics. Could the key to shedding pounds be as simple as drinking more water? Water is everywhere, and it's free. But don't let its simplicity fool you. This clear, refreshing drink packs a powerful punch when it comes to weight loss. So how does water help you lose weight? When you drink water, it boosts your metabolism. But that's not all. Water is also great at filling you up. When you drink a glass of water before a meal, you eat less. A study from the journal Obesity found that people who drank water before meals lost 44% more weight over 12 weeks than those who didn't. Experts have a simple rule. Drink half your body weight in ounces of water each day. So if you weigh 150 pounds, aim for 75 ounces of water. That's about 2.2 liters. Drinking water can help you burn even more calories. When you drink cold water, your body has to work harder to warm it up. This means you burn more calories without doing anything extra. It also helps you keep the weight off. When you're well hydrated, your body works better. You have more energy, your skin looks better, and you're less likely to mistake thirst for hunger. Here are some tips to help you drink more. Keep a water bottle with you all day. Set reminders on your phone to drink water. Add some lemon or cucumber to your water for flavor. Drink a glass of water before each meal. So the next time you're thirsty, skip the soda or fancy drinks. Reach for a glass of water instead. And there you have it, the 8 best weight loss drinks: green tea, black tea, coffee, apple cider vinegar, protein shake, ginger tea, vegetable juice, and water. Remember, you have the power to make positive changes in your life. Every sip of these healthy drinks is a step towards a healthier you. So raise your glass to your health and happiness. Now, we'd love to hear from you. Which drinks will you add to your routine? Or maybe you already have a favorite that helps you stay on track. Let us know your thoughts in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest health tips and information. Also, if you found value in this video, please consider sending us a super thanks or checking out our merchandise for some fantastic finds. Your support helps us create more informative content for you. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy and take care.